Got myself a nice little package to open today. I wonder what this should be. Wrapped nicely. Nice selection of mainlines. Nicely packed. Cheers UK diecast. What have I got? Nice little Tooned Beetle to go with my Tooned. Like that rear engine, that got me. Nice details on it as well. And we got the Cafe Racer, just to go with my Momo cars. Surf and Turf to go with all my other Surf and Turfs, and love the paneling on this. Love the engines as well. Green RX7 to go with me blue and me orange one. That's nice, that. Yeah, Magnus Walker 277 Porsche. Got one of these, but somewhere I have no idea now. It's been so long since I put away. What is it? 260, 280. But yeah, that's nice. And then finally, an RSR, which I don't have other than the new Forza one. First small card RSR. I like the Falcon graphics. Nice. More Porsches to add to my collection. Thank you very much. Really appreciate that. Thanks for watching.